was the final acceleration of the Supra with the stock tuning and stock downpipe paired to the AWE exhaust system. 4,994 miles on the odometer. So we're gonna be hitting 5,000 miles very shortly. But we're heading to SOHO Motorsports. I have my A90 Garage downpipe in the trunk, and we are tuning this car and straight piping it, and it's gonna be epic. Oh man, I'm not gonna lie, the Supra does sound pretty epic even with the stock downpipe, but I can't believe how sick it's gonna sound. 5,000 miles, there we go. Right as a cop passes me too. But we got 5,000 on the Supra. Let's get there. All right guys, we have made it to the destination. We are at SOHO Motorsports. I've been here many times before with the GTR and even my previous 370Z. And now we're here with the Toyota Supra. Let me show you real quick what we got in the trunk. So here we go. This is the new downpipe. This is the A90 Garage catless downpipe. So it is a straight pipe. No more cats, we're straight pipe in the car. All right, that is the final warm start of the Supra. In sport mode popping with the stock cat. So he's got the car now and we're gonna pull it inside. So inside the shop, they always got some goodies in here. We got a Skyline, their drag racing Z, got another Z up top, a few others. And of course the one way over there, the black one, that's the twin turbo one that I've driven and sold that car a few years ago. So with the Supra up on the lift now, so what kind of things we have so far to do? Just some disconnections.
We're gonna pull the O2 sensors, lift it up, put some fans under it, let it cool off a little bit.
Alright.
I don't scorch my hands off.
So we got the downpipe, the turbo manifold, and turbo all sitting right there, and it's boiling hot, so we'll cool it down a little bit. So now that everything is done, now it's time to disassemble part of the exhaust. I believe we're just gonna get this bracket off. So with the exhaust off, he's reaching way up there, and there are 2 bolts, I believe, holding it on. We got the V-band to the turbo and then just undoing the O2 sensors that are in the cat. And as you can see, he's got his arm reached all the way up the cat. That's why you want to have it nice and cool before you take it off, because that would be destroying your skin right now. And with both O2 sensors loosened now, we're gonna reach in from the top, and that's where we'll actually hand undo them and then get them right out. So back in the air now, we just have these 2 bolts holding it onto the bracket, and then you can see the lower bolt right there for the V-band, and it should just slide right out from the bottom. Alright, there we go. Stock cat and downpipe is out now. And then another quick look at the stock downpipe now. You can see the entire catalytic converter in here. So all this is basically just a huge restriction comparing what we're gonna have now. So with that said, actually, they got their Supra on the dyno. Let's get a quick little shot of theirs. You could tell that car's squatting so much. Holy crap. And that just has a downpipe, everything else is stock. This is their car. And here here it is versus stock. So this is similar to what my car is going to look like. That is like ridiculous. And that's just a downpipe and the ECUtek tuning with SOHO. Wow, my car's gonna be pretty quick. That'll be in tomorrow's video. But I'm excited for that. Let's get back and get the downpipe on and see what it sounds like. Alright, so it's got the V-band on the turbo and just slid the downpipe in place. And then from there, you kind of just hold it up to it and get the V-band clamped out and on the whole edges of everything. So with the downpipe now loosely in place, we just have it just barely tight. We're just gonna test fit the exhaust just to kind of see how everything lines up, and then we'll get this all bolted together. All right, so they're just working on realigning the exhaust system back into place. We have it all connected right up here. Just gotta get this in a little bit farther, but then we got the two exhausts all connected up, and then I believe we can tighten it and then get the O2 sensors all squared away. And then we're actually able to improve the clearance. As you can see, it was rattling a little bit, but this brace is now gonna fit much more snug, and that's not gonna hit anymore. So a little bit better fitment now. And then we're just gonna work our way back. We have loosened the rest of the exhaust just to make everything line up nicely. And then we just gotta tighten this brace and then get the O2 sensors in real quick, but everything coming together. This was a little bit tight just connecting these two. Again, we have two different aftermarket brands, of course, but everything, we have good clearance on that bracket right there. All right, Supra is coming down on the wheels for the final time, and the tips are actually even better lined up than the way I even had them. So looking really good back here. Next up, we gotta do the O2 sensors, or he's gonna do the O2 sensors. Dylan is gonna do that all from the top here. We have really good access. That's one thing good with this 250 engine and everything. Everything is literally right there, and you can see the two bolts right now. That's where the O2 sensors are gonna go. So we just gotta pop those bolts out real quick and basically do it all from here, tighten them up, and then plug in all the harnesses. That is the completed process. It's not the easiest thing out there. Shout out to Dylan doing an awesome job, and the other guys helped out as well. You gotta finesse a few little things, but fairly straightforward process as you guys have seen. And now, I think it's about that time to start it up, and let's see what it sounds like. Let's hear it fire up. Straight pipe with the AW exhaust and the A90 downpipe. Let's hear it. That is insane sounding. So we just let the car warm up a little bit and we got it into sport mode. Now let's hear a startup and some revs. Oh my gosh. Dang, that is insane. Just, oh my gosh. I don't even have words. That's insane. All right. Holy crap, that sounds so good too. The tone of it is insane. But I'm gonna take it for a quick spin like this. Maybe get a check engine light, I don't really know. But we'll get a quick spin. All right, well, we got the downpipe on. As you guys have seen, it sounds ridiculous. So I'm gonna go do a quick drive, just normal drive, automatic, non-sport mode. We'll just hear the normal cruising, and then I'll floor just a little bit. And then the tune video, of course, will be my full reaction because I'll actually be getting on it. Experiencing everything, but already I'm like out of breath because it sounds so epic already. So normal accelerating, it sounds almost stock. So the AWE exhaust is doing a really good job toning out the straight pipe. So just cruising at 45, there's no drone or anything. Now cruising at 60, still no drone, so good job on that. But let's see what it's like if I go to manual in sport mode. Whoa, those are definitely a lot louder. Oh wow. That A90 Garage straight pipe is insane, and the road is closed, so I gotta do a U-turn. But wow, we'll do a little bit of an acceleration. just to feel it out a little bit. Jeez. Oh my gosh, that is so sick. I don't even know what else to say. That definitely sounds amazing. Downpiping your Supra sounds awesome, and especially with the rest of the exhaust, it sounds so good.
2 hours later.
So I'm now driving home, and I've been driving, I don't know, 20 miles so far with the downpipe. First initial reactions, there's pretty much no drone. I can hear the car driving right now, but of course it's louder, but it's not an annoying drone. Makes a lot of noises. Definitely makes some really good noises. I love how it just sounds so proper now with the AW exhaust and then this A90 Garage downpipe. It just has a perfect tone. The tuning video, check out that tomorrow, because as of now we're tuned, so you definitely want to watch that. But the sound is epic. This is awesome sounding. So shout out to A90 Garage. Definitely check them out for a ton of products for the A90 Supra. Literally everything I have you can get on their website. So go to them, get all the stuff I have, and make your Supra insane. And then thank you again to SOHO Motorsports for working with me on the installation. I'm glad I worked with them, because I don't think I really would have wanted to do that on jack stands. Wouldn't have been the most fun installation. But that's about gonna wrap it up for today's video. Installing the downpipe on the Supra, hearing it before and after. I'm loving it. It sounds exactly what I wanted. Perfect. So check everybody out in the description below. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like this kind of thing, consider subscribing and stick around for plenty more content to come. But give the video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next video.